Adap kime kardom kadu kawela bangso YouTube channel long kelangara do ana fans tame lapen pini nali tumpan labang sa video long naki 1p mate naki than punji labang kela son lo pini labang ke kadu kawela chini lo pini ke January 10 lo mate tarik kep lo pini ya deda ke kai ke urunadoi asuni labang sotang ka ke jang nang jia det lo nasi pini ya det laba urunadoi asuni atangka long pon ikjima long lema laben pini jong si long lete kuman tu si kilong jima lapen kuan an si kilong jima labang so puthak ethithini alam pini nali tuma phan la so video long nang than puchini ponik mo jong si nali tum labang so YouTube channel la long nang ka homri milang pulega chinghon to nali tum subscribe ikon laben videos tame nali tum share ponikon tane non pathiek pen la orona doi update aputhak le ethithini alam lang polo nang lapen chithan polo nang tane non chithan polo nang details information pini ke tarik kebla nali tum stami chini glo lapen pini ke uruna doi atangka mate uruna doi asunia long amen ke doan abang phietum uruna doi atangka kilong ningchi adet lo pini lasi labang sotangka pini longjima long lema lapen pini jong silong liti komantuar ni si kilong jima labang so aputhak ethithini lam chithan polo na kichengsi nali tum thek polong ji labang ki pini date 10 January lo mati pini date report lo ladaki to operating pula the documents provide details updated information regarding Arunodaya scheme payment status on as of 10 January 2026. The Arunodaya scheme flagship welfare program of the government of Assam aimed at providing monthly financial assistance to eligible women beneficiaries from economically weaker section of society. As per the latest official announcement made by the government of Assam, the regular Arunodaya Asuni payment for the month of January 2026 has not yet been released or credited to the beneficiary account as of today. Lasil Arunodaya Asuni kumatum sikilong lapin kumatum sikiron ponman labang so puthak nali tum stami chini poniglo. Lapen pini government official announcement ki pipon la bangke pini arni mate pini la tarik kep lo Januari tarik kep lasi pini bangke nalitum Arunodaya Asuni atangka bangke longpon ik elo mate long ik elo lapen la bangso tangka kumantu siki long jima la bangso puthak chithan polona expected payment announcement lason lo the Assam government has announced to be consolidated payment amounting to 8,000 rupees 8,000 only is expected to be credited directly into their registered bank account of eligible Arunodaya beneficiaries on 20 February 2026. The consolidated amount is intended to cover multiple monthly installment along with a special assistance component announced during the festival period. Lasi pini labangke Arunodaya atangka la kilong pon ikilo lapin kilong ji labangke non ki wangji achiklo tarik ingkoi February 2026 awat si Arunodaya atangka bangke long pon ikpo lapin kilong ji labangke 8,000 an si long pon ikpo lapen kopia thesila surinir kep mate 8,000 atangka labangke toin non ki wangji achiklo kilong pon jima pulo tangte labang soputhak staminili kidam tang than pon pechini pon tuik lo lapen non staminili than pon tuik po lapen la surinir ke mati 8,000 atangka batai siwet pen kilong ji labang kelason lo labang sadim se tok pon do the amount includes spending Arunodaya Asuni installment for the months of January to April 2026 lapen Arunodaya atangka January achiklo pen chinglok April an labangke kadu kawi pen pangrum perlo pulo tangti suri polo lapen puthot dak dutla a special financial assistance component announced by the government of Assam beneficiary women. The payment will credited in single transaction is avoid delays and banking issue. Lase January lapen February March April la ciklujon pli aparman labangke suri polong poniko lapen suri ke thom labangke bihu bohag bihu labangso offer mate ke hai la Himanta Biswa Sharma hin pen kipipon agif labang ke dak edon lo pulate kadu ka pen 8000 lo labang so 8000 atangka labang ke non kiwangji achiklo tariking ko yarnisi amut silong pon ikpo lapen alitum February achiklo long ikpo lapen March lapen April achiklo bangke nalitum long lelo jelason lo lase payment la bangke DBT hin ben selang litum thapon ikpo kaike ke thawera son lo odak nalitum kipidon abeng ikon long sin labang satangka bangke long dun ikpo nalitum jang ikpo la penalitum kaike stame important instruction da kipipon stame do iglo nalitum theklongji important instruction for beneficiary ensure that your bank account is active and not dormant mate nalitum bank account kaike stame active bernang po lapen putha dage topondo confirm that Aadhaar is correctly linked with your bank account nalitum Aadhaar lapen bank account stame DBT kido tanang ji mate kiling tang nang po lapen dotlang avoid visiting agent or paying money for anyone from Arunodaya payments. Regular check official Assam government announcement for update. In case none received after announcement that contact local authorities or concerned department. Lapen hola sohot tangka kipipia that non kiwangsi February chiklo la tariging koi si piponik po lapen hola sohot kipia ni jong nalitum long le that pulte nalitum tibokhat local authority atumpen contact ego kalte department atumpen nalitum contact ego lalo pulte nalitum long dun ikpo jelala la sipiniar ni bangke nalitum chonghono nelo pinike Arunodaya tangka long pon ikelo lapen kilongji la bangke non kiwangje chiklo tariging koi si long pon ikpo kilongji atangka la bangke seriner kiapan si dag long pon ikpo mate 8000 atangka anse lapen video nalitum share ikon karbing long ras tami palaik nang lapen pachinik nang lapen la sonson update mate la sonson video nalitum kilang long versi apan pura labang so YouTube channel tami nalitum subscribe ikon la sidumi thakmi kadukabe Karbitis 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang rado anapan stami nilin pen kardom